the most important ones would probably be trying to get victims to come forth, so non-reporting and underreporting. And this is due to maybe the fear of retaliation or intimidation or stigmatism. It's hard to actually conduct investigations when you don't have a solid complaint. You have to be thorough and you have to be completely independent. You have to keep your emotions in check. It's quite a difficult type of incident or allegation to investigate. But I think you also need to be careful not to simply believe the complaint and or versions of events that you might get from the subject. I think you have to be very thorough in testing everything to make sure that you get the best evidence as well. It's the type of investigation that really takes a lot out of you, so it takes a high degree of passion, I would say, as well, to be able to not only do the investigation but to be able to see and speak to the victim and to actually get a full realization of what's actually happened. It's not the same thing as investigating fraud or corruption. This is largely testimonial based, so you need to be prepared to ask very difficult, sensitive questions and to also receive very difficult and sensitive information. With that, it would be important for you to also find some way of having an outlet to deal with that, because it can be very stressful for you as an investigator as well. And I think investigators need to also understand that their own safety and security can be placed in jeopardy when conducting these types of investigations. So they should not be naive to think that it's only about the victims, but also to be sure to take steps to protect themselves as well. Perhaps having a dedicated unit that actually deals with it. I understand that not all organizations have the resources to do so, but it is a very specific type of allegation to investigate. So unless you're going to do it with someone with the proper expertise and knowledge, the likelihood or the chances of your investigation being done thoroughly and properly, they go up, tremendously.